Hello everybody! Recently I made a video about why I sold all of my Bitcoin, and I'm just looking at the chart on Bitcoin. This is the year-to-date chart, and this is basically why I have continued to hold back on buying back into Bitcoin. If you look at the year-to-date chart, uh, you can see actually that it just is a very bearish pattern. You see a lot of selling. This is a very bad move down, and looks like I think there was like a liquidation here, a lot of high volume selling, and it looked like there was attempted rally right here, but the situation in Ukraine is causing more selling. You can see that the volume is higher than the buying. The buying appears rather weak right here. Let's look a little bit further out. Let's look like a year out. Uh, Actually, a 5 year would actually be better because when we look at when it's actually ideal to buy Bitcoin, it actually makes sense to actually just look at it from a bigger perspective. Like you can see, this was a prior bull market ended, and then it took a long time before it actually was really the proper time. You can see that there's massive volume buying at this point. That would be the time period to actually get in. This was epic move. I remember staying in. I actually went all the way down here, and I was like, "Oh, is this going to crash on me?" And then it went way up here. In terms of where I got out around the 40,000 range. Now, when it comes down to cryptos, they're a bit different than how you would actually handle stocks because stocks tend not to go down as quickly, whereas crypto it moves down very very fast. So that's the frustrating part about this, but if we could see here on the 5 year chart, there really is no confirmation for us to get back into Bitcoin because look at there's nothing but selling, and I mean maybe it's not massive volume on the selling, but there's no buying pressure to buy it back. This it says a strong sell. I can't disagree with that. Now let's take a look at Ethereum. Now we can see with this, it's very similar pattern. There's just there's a selling there, and there's no real buying pressure. It's nothing like when we saw this epic move up. It had massive selling here, and then you just saw a lot of high volume, and it eventually skyrocketed. But at the moment, you're seeing nothing but selling. So I don't think I don't think this is a buy the dip moment when it comes down to either Bitcoin or Ethereum. I'm not telling you that it's going to crash like 80% from here, but the thing is, when it comes down to investing, it makes sense to actually just be risk adverse. I don't know where it's going, and neither does anyone else. But that's exactly why we don't want to buy, because there's really no confirmation to buy back. So stay safe out there. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button so more people will actually be able to watch this video. Subscribe for more insights from me in the future, and I look forward to talking with you about more cryptos and other investment ideas.